How to use the healing brush in Photoshop for weird abstract effects, PC or Mac. Go to the Tools panel in Photoshop and select the healing brush tool. With that selected, go along here, select Normal, Pattern Option, Align to make certain that's set, and All Layers. The key thing is Pattern, and the patterns I've got are all the images of this, but with different effects. You can see here I've got a motion blur one, I've got a threshold effect. They've all been saved previously as a pattern design, and you can see I've got a blue design there, and also I've added a gradient in for effect. You can also use other patterns as well. But what you can do simply with this, create an effect, edit and define pattern. That's all you need to do to add it. And now you can apply it. So let's just select one of them. I'm just going to go with this one. It's a sort of motion blur or blurry effect. And you can see as you apply it, it creates a very weird and unusual design very quickly. Now, you can achieve similar sort of designs if you use the pattern stamp brush. But I don't want to use that. Pattern stamp, if I just apply it, let's just go for this, turn the impressionist off and apply, you can see you get that effect, which is fine. But this one, the healing brush, creates some very weird variations within itself. So just go back to healing brush, and this time let's select another one. Maybe this one, the threshold effect, and you can apply it like that. And you can see then as you add it, it sort of creates some weird smears and effects as it's obviously trying to heal the thing as well. And you can see as you do it, you can create some very weird, odd colour effects like that. But also you can go and select another one. Let's go for the blue. And as you apply it again, you can see now you get some weird yellows. It's trying to bring in some other colour. So you can create some very slightly disturbing and unusual imagery. Like this blue there, obviously it's a blue image up here. You can see in the pattern. But now you can apply it around the edge to create some very unusual halo effects using this approach. And again, it's sort of trying to blend the image as well as the actual pattern as well into it. And you can always go, of course, select any of these standard ones that come with Photoshop. And you've got here sort of warped designs. You can blend that in as well. So with that, you can see now, as you apply it, you got that to create some truly abstract designs from any image. And all you need to do is define the original image as a pattern in Photoshop. You can also use the healing brush with a blank or black or white background. So me again, select the healing brush and then apply. Now I'm using this pattern, but I can use any of the other patterns, maybe this one. Now you don't have to apply the entire thing. You could just maybe apply parts of it to create shadow effects. One side being in shadow and also the other side with a slightly surreal design. And you can keep varying again the patterns. So just go and select a different one, maybe that threshold one. And apply that, and you can see as it tries to work out the image, you can see slight variations in the colour. Maybe even apply one that's very similar to the original image, and you can apply that very quickly. That's not